Hello, traders. This is Andy from Trade Ideas. This is February the 10th on a Friday, and let's go over some possible swing trades that we may be eyeballing today. I typically don't like to take too many swing trades on a Friday. If I do, it's got to look really, really nice. A couple of things today for earnings is Yelp. You can see Yelp is gapping up above this February high, which happens to be about a 3-month high. So keep an eye on that. Be careful. Gaps have not been holding up in this market lately, just especially if they're big gaps. Take a look at Disney yesterday, for example. Uh, Another one is B. It's an energy play. Energy are some of the stocks that are performing well in the pre-market. This is gapping up. Uh, Above this 5-day high here, but it's kind of in no man's land. But it may want to come up here and challenge this 2640 level. One more is net. uh, just it's gapping up, but once again, if it can go and take out this February high, so keep an eye on that. But what I really like to do, guys, is look for opportunity on stocks that may be pulling back. We've had some weakness in the market. You might can catch some stuff on sale, and what I like to do is put price alerts, like in this Microsoft, a pull back to its 10-period moving average. Another one I'm watching is Shop. Maybe it's been holding this 20 period for a long time. If it gets slammed down here and I can pick some up on this 20 period moving average, I will do it. See if there's another one out there. Oh, another earnings play I forgot to tell you about is PayPal. Keep an eye on that. It is gapping up a little bit, but really in no man's land. You'd like to see this get above this 82.50 level. But anyway, set those price alerts. Look for those stocks that are on sale, getting slammed down. And if you do, just go in with like a third size or a half size. Never go in with full size because you're not really sure they're going to bounce there. So I usually like to nibble. All right, guys, have a great day. See you next week.